Hello there, curious minds. Ever wonder how communication works and why it is so important? Well, let's dive in and explore this fascinating world together. Think about how we talk, share ideas, and connect with each other. It's not just words, it's a whole dance of information, feelings, and expressions. And guess what? Scientists from all sorts of fields have been studying this dance, leading to what we now call science of communication. Imagine this like a pyramid. Right at the tippy top, there is something called societal communication. This is all about messages that go out to lots of people, like news or big speeches. Historians, politicians, and sociologists are all detectives digging into this level of information to understand how it shapes the society. Heading down a bit, we hit institutional communication. This is when groups like political parties, religions, or big companies send out messages. Have you ever noticed how they even try to get their points across? That's what it is all about. Next stop is the group communication. This is like when friends, families, or clubs they talk amongst themselves. It's all about the vibes and the connections within a tight-knit bunch. So as we move lower, we meet interpersonal communication, fancy term, but it is basically one-on-one or small group chats. Think about how you talk with your pals or family members. That's it. Just at the bottom, we have got intrapersonal communication. This is a bit like talking to yourself in your mind. Yep, we all do it, like, thinking, processing information, and giving meaning to stuff around us. Now here's the cool part. All of these levels connect to different fields of study. Some experts zoom in how media works, while others explore how communication shapes the society or politics. And with so many angles, it is no wonder communication is a hot topic for research. As we unravel this web of ideas, theories, and models, remember it's like going on an exciting jungle adventure. And don't worry, we'll start by breaking down some very basics. So let's start with what we mean by theory, model, and a concept. So stick around and let's embark on this journey to decode the art of communication. But we're going to take one step at a time. See you.